have a random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
What the hell? What the helly?
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
Would you rather wear a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds? Would you rather save the babies or save the cookie?
Bang, 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 bang,